Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. Hope you all are doing good, children. So let's start the class. Do you remember with which chapter we have started? We have started addition, isn't it? So what we have done in our previous class, we have done countings, isn't it? And page number 45. So children, today we will do, there are three methods of addition. One is addition using fingers. Second, addition using the number line. Third, vertical or column addition. Okay. So the objective of the class is, children, today we will understand addition using fingers. Okay. So are you all ready? Let's start. So children, this you are going to do along with me. Bend your fingers, form a fist. Okay. Now, how we are going to count, children? If you have formed a fist, this is what? 0. This is what? 0. Now, open one finger. This is 1. Open your finger, children. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. Have you understood? Let's do it again. This is 0. Open one finger. 1. Next, 2. Next, 3. 4. And if you open all the fingers, it is 5. Okay, now bring another fist. So let's count after 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Am I clear, children? This is what? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it clear how to count using fingers? So let's do today one example. So take out page number 47 of your book, children. Let's do example 2. So you can see here, add using fingers. So first one is 4 plus 3. So how will you count, children? First, in one hand you make 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then in the other hand forms more 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now you count. This is what? 4, 5, 6, 7. So what will come here, children? 7. This is what? Sum. When you find the total, what is this? Sum. Or you can say total. Next example is 1 plus 5. How will you do? Form in one fist, open one finger. Then in the other fist, open how many fingers? 5 fingers. Now you count 5, 6. So what is the sum? 6. Is it clear? Next comes 5 plus 5. So children, in one fist you have to open 5 fingers. In the other fist you have to open 5 fingers. Now you count. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the sum? 10. Okay. So this is how we count with fingers. Am I clear to you all? So next is counting addition using the number line. So let's start that. So children, now we will do next method of addition, that is addition using the number line. So what is the objective? To understand the addition using the number line. So let's start. For this children, take out page number 48 of your book, example 3. Take the first question is, we have to add, what is number line? A line marked with numbers. A line marked with numbers is called the number line. What is number line, children? A line marked with numbers is called a number line. So first we have to make a line. So for this children, you have to use your scale. Draw one line. Done. Then give arrow on both the side. Okay. So then children, what comes is we have to, you make a big one. We can extend this line. So now we have to number this line. So it will call as number line. Is it clear? So children, how to form the number? How to put the numbers in a line? Now, the gap should be equal, children. As I am taking first, mark 0 as, first you give a point, give a lines like this. Then take the equal measurement, equal gap should be there, children. From 0 to 1 you can take, or 0 to 2. So I am taking from 0 to 2. Then 2 to 4. I am keeping 2 centimeters gap. Okay. So you can keep 1 centimeter. Then comes 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. You can use small scale also. So children, I have marked this way, isn't it? I have made equal gaps. Now what you are going to do? First you are going to mark as 0. The second one as 1. Then 2. This is how you are going to write the numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we can stop here. Okay. Now children, till here is it clear? Now we have to do the addition of 2 and 3. So first is what? 2. From 0 to 2. All of you come. Okay. From 0 to 2. Then how many steps we have to count? 3 steps. So you move 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 3 is what? 5. Is it clear? This is how addition using the number line is done. Again I will tell you children, listen, we have to do the addition of 2 and 3. That is, we have to add 3 with 2. Okay, and you know what you will get? 5, isn't it? But we have to do using the number line. For how to make number line? Draw a line using the scale. Then give equal gaps. First you mark equal gaps. Then you number those gaps. Okay. Start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then we have to add what? 2 and 3. So the first we have to move from 0 to 2. Then we have to move how many steps? 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Clear? So you get the answer 5. Is it clear, children? You get the answer 5. When you move these steps, children, one thing is very important. You have to give arrow that you are moving towards right side. Clear? So this is how we do addition using the number line. You can try next question, that is 4 and 4. So 4 and 4, again children, what you are going to do, you will come first up to 4, then you are going to count 4 steps. Okay, so what are the important points that you need to remember is so when you add this, children, what you get? 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3, you get 5. Okay, you can do it in your copy, children. 3 important points you have to remember while doing addition using number line. First, take scale, draw a line. Okay. Second, equal gap. Clear? Third is you have to give arrow. Okay, these are the 3 important points which you have to follow when you will do addition using the number line. So here I stop, children. You can try rest questions, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Thank you so much.